Lose weight without spending hours in the kitchen. Meal prep made easy. If you're tired of stressing over what to eat or how to stay healthy, I've got you. Today, I'll show you how to meal prep for weight loss in just 30 minutes. No chef skills required. First up, plan your meals. Grab a pen or your phone and jot down a super simple grocery list. Chicken breasts, tofu cubes, colorful veggies, brown rice, quinoa, avocado, olive oil, a sprinkle of nuts. For portion sizes, aim for 1 palm of protein, a cup of veggies, half a cup of grains, and a thumb of healthy fat per meal. Now batch cook your proteins. Fish fillets on a sheet pan, tofu cubes on a sheet pan. Roast everything together while you prep other stuff. Beans are awesome too, just rinse and toss with spices. Batch cook multiple proteins at once to save time. Use spices and marinades that travel well. Think lemon, garlic, smoked paprika. While that's roasting, move on to veggies and grains. On to veggies and grains. Peppers, carrots. If you're short on time, frozen veggies totally count. Steam them in big batches. Roast them in big batches. Sauté them in big batches. For grains, go with quick cooking options like couscous or microwavable brown rice. Let's assemble and store. Glass containers. BPA-free plastic containers. Start with a layer of grains. Add your protein. Pile on the veggies. Drizzle a bit of healthy fat. Pro tip, label each container with the date and what's inside. Quick tips, spice it up with different seasonings each week. Taco seasoning, curry seasoning, fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon or lime. Need to reheat? Add a splash of water before microwaving to keep things juicy. And there you go, meal prep in 30 minutes. Eat healthy all week. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and hit that subscribe button for more easy weight loss tips. You've got this.